Annapro sent me their new Quest 3 head strap solution, allowing for use with the full light seal, and also with this forehead piece right here, you can use it without the light seal. So I'm excited to try this out. It also comes with this battery that goes right on like this for some extra playtime. And then they also gave me this dual charging solution. Everything's USB-C. You can just place that right on there and you're good to go. Let's see how hard this thing is to install and try this out. Okay, so these just slide right on. I think also you'd be able to slide these back and forth a little bit for another point of adjustment here. And then we've got the cord here that plugs in to the USB-C on the Quest 3. And that is going to bring power from this battery to the Quest and still allow for the BOA system to work with the battery. So also notice that I don't have the facial interface on the Quest 3. This is similar to the Vision Pro. We can use this with or without the facial interface. Let's see how it is without. Well, it actually felt pretty hard because the back does not have the back pad on it yet. So let's get that on. All right, we see the Annapro logo. That kind of helps me figure out which way to install this. All right, so that clips in there pretty easily, just like that. We'll put the battery right back on. Much more comfortable. And this looks great, feels great. Nice to be able to wear the Quest 3 without the facial interface. It feels really nicely balanced on the head. So what's interesting is the Quest 3 version actually doesn't come with different head pads. I think maybe just because of the design of this, you don't really need too much variation in terms of what will work and what won't, given the size, the distance from the screens, etc. But I mean, this seems to work really well. It feels nice. It's providing power to the headset. And let's see if it feels good with the light seal as well. Yeah, I mean, that feels really nice. There's a little bit of pressure around the tops, the forehead kind of beneath this head mount area here, and then on the cheeks, of course, but it's just very light. So it's a good way to kind of put a little bit of that pressure away from the forehead and kind of even it out across the face. So I really like this. I think with Vision Pro, I do more AR type of applications, like putting up a MacBook screen in front of me or watching a movie in my space. So I'd probably prefer to be using this without the light seal. But this one, Quest 3, more gaming, more immersive, not wanting any light leak, I think I would actually be wearing it like this because it feels pretty comfortable. So just giving you a closer look here, we've got a few points of adjustment with the back BOA. And then you can kind of move this a tiny bit up and down, but I wouldn't be messing around too much with that. And of course, we can move the side connection points back and forth a little bit. But again, I feel like I don't need to mess with it that much. Like just straight out the box, quick install, and it feels really nice. I'm gonna spend a bit more time with this, and I'm gonna let you know my final thoughts in a minute. All right, I just got done with a nice long play session with this head strap solution. I gotta say, I really like it. The soft microfiber cloth that's still kind of memory foam here feels really good on the forehead, even for long periods of use. The back part here, pretty standard. I've tried many headsets that have this back part. Nothing special, honestly, but it fits really nicely. And the fact that we can use this now with or without this light seal makes this a super versatile headset. And having a full forehead piece here disperses the weight of the headset across the entire forehead here, really helps for comfort, and I felt like I could wear this for a really long time with no issues. Super happy with this one. Link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself, but honestly, this is one of my favorite head straps that I've tried so far. So thank you, Annapro, and thanks for watching.